Both of these macros function in a similar way. The main difference is the elements that are being generated in the construction process and the way the macro behaves in the grading. Let's take a look. Using the macro slit corner cut grad SP, start by selecting the hemline close to the end where the corner is supposed to be created. Type in the width of the seam line at the selected corner. Keep in mind that the values for seam allowances need to be negative. The macro creates a slit corner and splits the piece. You can use this piece here as a template for sewing. If the content of your slit corner should not be cut, you can quickly delete the free seam to return to the original shape. The template could then be used to determine the sewing position. This macro can be used even if the angle of your hem and seam is not 90 degrees in all sizes. Using slit corner cut SP, first you have to select the width of the seam element and then select the hemline close to the corner position. With this macro, there is no template piece. However, 2 notches are created where the sewing line needs to be positioned. This macro should be used for patterns where the angle between hemline and seam is perpendicular.